Hello mga ka-trendy! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Literal talaga na iba ang hangin sa ibang bansa. Iba kasi ang galawan ng Don Bell dito at sobrang tapang na. Makikita nga dito na talaga namang boyfriend duties itong ating Donnie kay Belinda. At syempre mga kabablis, pag-uusapan nga natin ang trending na larawan na ito ni Donnie at Belle, na ayun nga si isang bablis sa UK. Before this video was taken, Belle was trying to pose for a solo pic. Donnie right behind her noticed that the wind was blowing her skirt. Within a nanosecond, Donnie was already on his knees to hold it down for her, without her even asking nor flinching after. He was squatting for quite a while until Belle was happy with the shot. Might I add, he's quite good at multitasking. One hand holding her skirt, one hand holding his cup. Grabe na talaga itong ating Donato. Napaka-gentleman talaga pagdating kay Belinda. Talaga namang magjowa ang pormahan dito ng ating Don Bell. Ayon nga dito sa ilang komento ng mga bula sa X.
When your BF allows you to wear whatever you want as long as you're comfortable, and siya na bahala to protect you in case of negativity happens. Hi, Don Bell, mahal ko kayo. Don Bell, Donnie Pangilinan, and Belle Mariano only proved that being in a love team for 5 years will not hinder their growth outside the partnership. They have their own solo series and movie coming soon. Yet, they still have a strong bond together as Don Bell, not just a love team. Iba talaga hangin sa ibang bansa. What if wag na lang kayong umuwi? 100 men versus wear whatever you want, I can fight and protect you. Hashtag Don Bell. This takes me back to the US tour when Donnie placed his arm over her legs cause she was wearing a dress, and now he's just casually holding her skirt to keep it from blowing in the wind. Very boyfriend duties na may karapatan. At narito nga ang actual na video.